Cruising in his pinto, he sees homies as he pass. But if he looks twice, they're gonna kick his lily ass. So don't debate, play it straight. You know he really doesn't get it anyway. He's gonna play that field, keep it real. For you, no way, for you, no way. So if you don't break, just overcompensate. At least you know you can always go and regulate. The world loves wannabes hard. Hey, hey, do that brand new thing. Now he's getting a tattoo, yeah, he's getting ink done. He asked for a 13, but they drew